Hello again, and welcome to a special edition of Hancock Adventures. On this video, I wanted to put together a short video for you on a trailer that I bought from a friend of mine that was in pretty bad shape. As you can see here from the pictures, it was pretty beat up. I wanted to do a little restoration project on it. This is not a how-to video, but just wanted you guys to see what I did to it, and I hope you like the video. Well, we got the old trailer tore apart here. Got her sanding, and look at that blue. Painting it to match my truck. So, I don't know how well it shows up on this video, but she's a metallic blue. I think it looks pretty good. We'll see. All right, well, I got some more stuff done. Got it kind of painted up down to the fender well. I haven't painted that because those are gonna be redone, but got my marker lights put on here. So those are amber in color. Got the wire for it ran up here. Got this side also kind of dark, kind of hard to see because they're dark, but marker lights are on. Probably gonna put one more amber marker light there, and then I'm gonna come back here on the back and do like red, you know, do some red ones, changing out the tail lights too. So stay tuned, more to come. Well, we are making progress. We have amber lights on the side here. Got them all wired in to the channel, down through here. I will have a couple more down here that I haven't done yet, but also got on some light fixtures, housings, so we can put some tail lights in this bad boy. So yeah, making progress. Well, coming along. I'm painting these because these are gonna go this way. I'm gonna weld them equally across there. I'm gonna put some LED lights on them for some underglow. I got the brakes being replaced. This one is it's broke. That is exactly why it does not work. And then I got on the back, I got some lights across the back. I still got one more light I'm waiting on to go there, but we are making progress. So I will continue on. Right, here's what we're looking at. So this is the old brake, again, with the broken wire. Kind of old, kind of rusty. The bearings were subpar. And this is the new one. So all new everything, looking good and clean. This came with all new bearings and stuff that I haven't put in here yet, but it's got all that stuff. So that's what we're going to. From this to this. Now here's the $10,000 question. This box shows left hand, and this box down here shows right. Why can't they just say passenger and driver? So which is which? Is it from the tongue facing the back of the trailer, or is it from the back facing the front? We may never know. Well, I got it all wired up, and I got the back row there. Doing a light test, you can see I got top row is solid. There's two on each side for brakes, and then turn signal and turn signal right. I think it looks pretty good. Got my new brake on that side. Hadn't done the other side yet, but I think it's gonna work. It's gonna look good. Yeah. Well, I beat out the fenders best I could. Painted them. They were pretty rough, but at least they're blue. So that's gonna look good, better. Got some accents on here. Put some red since my Jeep has red accents on my truck. Did the other side as well. I got some new wheels and tires. Side over here has some accent. And this fender was really beat up, but best I can do. I ain't trying to get it perfect. And we got those accents there. So new wheels in the next video, and the deck on top of it. And then we'll get to see what she actually looks like. It's gonna be great. Well, here it is, semi-finished. So we gotta do wood. I got a cargo box I'm gonna put on the front, but I mean, it's blue. Doesn't match my truck eggs. That's a little darker blue, but the tires look really good on it. I think the black rims made it look good. About to go get some wood, put on there. Still got to paint the inside of the fenders, but other than that, I think it looks really good. We'll see what it looks like with wood on it. Well, I have the tires on here. I have the decking on here. It is a whole brand new trailer now, and it looks good. So next I'm gonna pull it out in the street and put the Jeep on it, see what it looks like. Well, I got some blue lights on. Looks kind of neat. You can see all the lights on the trailer. Red lights on the back. All the amber lights down the side. It's kind of bright. Video doesn't really do it any justice, but it also matches my truck. The blue lights there. So yeah, be kind of cool. Got the flooring done and everything. Only thing left is the box that goes on the front. But I think the rest is pretty well done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Truck, trailer. I got my black box on the front to put all my gear in. You can see the underglow glowing. You can see all the lights on the trailer. Jeep fits on it just barely. All the lights on the back. Can't see the other ones because they're underneath the ramps, but this is it. It's the good stuff. Let me know what you think. Now it's ready to hit some trails. Well, the last thing left on this project was secure the box, put some switches in it to turn on my LED lights underneath the trailer. So I'll show you what we did here. We just put some boards down to make it easy to attach to, and then in here I did some bolts, and then over here's my switches. So one switch is for the lights inside the box in case it's dark and I need to see. And the other switch, I don't know if you can see it, but it goes to the underglow. So yeah, that's it. I think this trailer build project is complete. So let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you on the trails.